Conceptualizing Moment. One of the first realizations we had was space constraints. Moment was created with modern homes in mind, packing a true karaoke experience, DTS surround technology, wireless streaming, digital and analog interfaces, all into one sleek, compact design. The result? A 16-inch footprint. Space we can all afford. Utilizing DTS TruSurround technologies, Moment is expertly tuned for peak performance and accurate placement of audio for a realistic virtual surround experience. To complete your audio entertainment experience, post-processing and psychoacoustic technologies are implemented for deeper bass and crisp, clear dialogues, resulting in high-definition realism and clarity, so you can see and hear the action unfold. No matter your weapon of choice, Moment is plug and play and works well with any file your media player, smartphone, tablet, or computer accesses, whether it's apps, online streaming sites, or your personal music collection. That means you have access to an unlimited and always up-to-date karaoke song library with Smule, YouTube, Apple Music, Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify, and more. Moment connects to any device you have and produces quality audio no matter the connection. The built-in aux port, as well as optical audio port, accepts connection with your analog or digital devices. Bluetooth aptX technology provides CD-like quality audio when streaming wirelessly. And because we hate cable mess, Moment comes with a 2.4 GHz, 60 watts wireless subwoofer, and a wireless microphone. Both of these pair up automatically when in range. Go on, express yourself.